I just see like the cylinder. We get down and our nose is slowly cleaning this gun off. I reach down and touch the gun.
Yep, everything else is
barrel
good.
right into the cylinder, and I just shot.
Oh,
Oh yeah, it's for sure. The barrel right there.
awesome.
Yeah, that is gun. There's a trigger guard
Yep.
right there.
Good night. Love you too.
That is the Wild West. We're looking at it.
Sounds good.
Pick it up.